The Bush Kids accommodation for the next few days is this traditional Arctic hut called a kota. This is an absolutely remarkable place. So what we can do is we can take our bags off and settle in, because this is where you're going to stay tonight.
The hut, it's class. I love it. I'd say we'll have to light the fire anyway, and with the fire going we'll be able to make some dinner and yeah, settle down for a nice evening.
It's traditional in these parts to have firewood ready for any travellers that might come along. So we're going to split some of the wood left for us to make kindling. And along with our birch bark we've gathered on the way to camp, we should have a fire in no time. Okay, when we have enough, it's time to get out your fire steels. You gotta scrape up the bark. We got it over here. Right, let's get that in there. We gotta feed it nice and easy, all right? Okay, will you get all the sticks? Yeah, nice and easy. You gotta mind your fingies. Yeah, careful.